Hey everybody, how are you? I am back with another haul, and this haul is from Dollar Tree. I am in now to the throes of getting my DIY started for Christmas. So let me start with, I'm just going to take them out of the bag as I show you. Now, obviously this isn't for Christmas. But I did get this little cat because I did not see it before. I think it's adorable. And I'll probably just put a different bow on him and just use him that way in my decor for next year. But I think he is adorable. Got him, why they still had it. Then, as you know, I am decorating this year, and I never have before. I'm dedicating my family room and the dining room and the kitchen for the most part. Now the kitchen's going to be gingerbread and snowmen. Don't know exactly how I'm going to do that yet, but all that to say, I needed to get things that had to do with snowmen because I didn't have any really to speak of to make any kind of a statement in my decor. So I got this, and I'll probably alter this side at some point. I think he's adorable. They had these, and they had this with a red hat and a black, and obviously I wanted black because I'm still using my black and white buffalo check in that part of my Christmas decor in the family room with the snowman. But look at how cute. And then again, I looked at this because you could make these very easily, and I may try to do one. So always look and keep in mind you can use these for patterns as well. So I got 2 of those. And when I get things for the tree, I usually try to get at least 2 of each one if I can. Then I got the snowflake battery pack lights because I'm going to be using this in a DIY, and that will go in my family room obviously because of the snowflake snowman. This is adorable, and this is metal on here, the Let It Snow, and I will leave this the way it is. I may, well, I don't think I will. I was going to say I might bring these up to where they're more dimensional, but I don't think I will. I think I'll leave this just like it is. I might put a bow, I don't know. These snowflakes, and I bought the big ones and the small ones, and I'm using these in a DIY. They had this small snowman, and I will fix him up. And you can also, again, trace this, and you can make more if you want. You know what? This is thin enough. I'm not sure, but I think the Cricut Maker could cut this. And they had this gingerbread, and if you followed my Christmas home tour last year, you saw that I made a lot of different size gingerbread. And so I got this, and I can use him for a pattern as well. They only had 1, or I would have got a couple, but they only had 1. And you can use him this way if you don't want him having the bow and the buttons. But I picked him up anyway. So it'll be this type of stuff that's in my kitchen. I hate to admit it, I'm a sucker for cotton candy. But when I got this, I love cotton candy. Isn't that terrible? It's nothing but sugar. I really shouldn't be eating it. But I got it for the containers because I can put either my spackle or I can put my tips from my my faux cake decorating. This would be a perfect container for that. So that's what I was thinking when I saw that. I'm not going to bother trying to get it unhooked right now. But I got 2 of these snowflakes, and I have a couple more of these that I bought last year, and those will go in my family room. How did that happen? Only me. I'm not kidding. Then I got this guy. How cute is that? That is a cute ornament. At Hobby Lobby, I guarantee you, you'd pay at least $3 or $4, and it was $1. Very cute. A few of these stencils, very good deal for $1. And then on the back it has, you know, different angels, ornament, wreath, Christmas tree. So you get 2 for $1 and a stencil for $1. And then I got Santa, please stop here. Now and the thing is, you can break all of these up. You could just put Santa. You could say, please stop here. And then you have your different little cutout, Santa the reindeer, ho ho ho, sleigh. Also, if you wanted, say that you were making something and you wanted to just stencil the word wonderful. You can mask all this off and just do wonderful. And then I got Let It Snow. And then on the back of that is everything dealing with snowmen. Snowmen, snowflake, hot cocoa, penguin. Really cute for $1. Well worth it. So for 3 stencils, $3. Actually, I got 6 stencils for $3. And then I got a couple of these. I won't be using it for this. This will also go in my family room. The other one of that snowflake. I'll deal with that one later. But this will be pretty because I want it to really have a snowy feel with this snowman theme. So a lot of snowflakes, snowmen. The words Let It Snow. This is a very nice ornament for $1. And I think that's all my snowmen. Oh no, I did. Oh, almost forgot. Okay. And then this. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a gorgeous, if you decorate with snowmen, this is a gorgeous tag. It really is. And I don't know if I'll change this down here. I have a feeling I'm not going to change any of it, but I am going to add to it. And you'll see that in a DIY. Absolutely beautiful. It really is. And I'm not all that keen on glitter. I mean, a little bit's fine, but if I had my rathers, would I do a lot of glitter? No. But this one is very tastefully done. It's not over the top, but it does have enough just to add a little bit of sprinkle just in the right places. I love this tag. Also, I will do that in Santa's and a cocoa bar and sweets that I'll be doing, again, more faux desserts for Christmas. So it'll have a different feel, but look at this one. I'm also going to alter this, but look at it. I mean, this is gorgeous. It really is. I mean, I was very impressed with these two. So I'm going to do a little bit more to this one, and he'll go into my formal living room. But look at how pretty. I got this ornament. So I thought that was pretty too. I'm trying to get done here because the sun's coming up, and I'm going to get a shadow, and it's going to get dark in just any minute now. And then this Jingle All the Way was like Let It Snow with the metal. I'm going to leave this as is. That'll go into my formal living room with Santa. The trees I bought because I'm doing a DIY having to do with snowmen, and I wanted some little trees to be a part of it. Don't know which I'm going to use yet, the white or the green or both, I don't know. But at Hobby Lobby, you know, they're more. And although these aren't really big, they're not bad size. For $1 and you get 2. And again, I like the Victorian look, and I love these lamp posts. And so there's 2 lamp posts and a little seat. And this is cobblestone corners. And then they have this one with the carolers, the wishing well with snow on it and a little Christmas tree. And then Santa Claus and a little, I don't know if it's a girl or boy, but anyway, they're playing in the snow. And then here's another little think it's a girl because this one's a boy. But that's cute. And the Santa's cute. And then just another pack of the trees, because you can always use these trees in your DIYs and your decor. And another one of these. I'm going to completely alter this. I'm not going to leave it like this. Then they had these berry garland. And they're little pip berries, but I'm going to be using these on a couple of my DIYs. Some of the spearmint gum, and I put that in a little decorative jar up in my craft room. Is this little hanger, and it's a Santa. But look how cute he is. Very impressed with these this year. I think they're really, really cute. So that is my haul from the Dollar Tree. Now I have to get busy and start my DIYs. Guys, remember, don't forget it. The world's a better place because you're in it. There's only one you. You bring something to this world that no one else can. You take care, have fun with your DIYs. Until next time, see ya.